In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion step by step, using a ready-made template from the Notion marketplace and then customizing it to fit your workflow. This is perfect if you're managing projects, timelines, content calendars, or team deliverables and want a clean visual way to track progress over time. We'll go from a blank Notion workspace all the way to a functional Gantt chart that you can drag, drop, and link together. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want to build your Gantt chart system. At the top of the page, look for the small arrow icon. Click on that arrow to open the Page Options menu. This is where you can access templates and other page-level tools that Notion provides. Next, from that menu, click on Templates. This will open the Notion template gallery, where you can browse both official and community-created templates. Templates are a great way to save time instead of building everything from scratch. Once you're in the template gallery, go to the search bar and type in the word Gantt. This will filter the results and show you all available Gantt chart templates. Scroll through the list until you find one simply called Gantt Chart. When you see the Gantt chart template, click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look to make sure it fits your needs, then click on the Add button. This will add the template directly into your Notion workspace so you can start editing it. After the template is added, click directly on the Gantt chart view inside the page. This opens the interactive timeline where tasks are displayed across dates. Each bar represents a task or project item that can be adjusted visually. Now comes the powerful part. You can drag and drop the taskbars on the timeline to change start and end dates. Simply click on a bar and drag it left or right to adjust the schedule. You can also stretch the ends of the bar to change the duration of a task. This makes planning incredibly intuitive. Next, we're going to connect links between tasks. Click on a task and look for the option to add a relation or dependency. This allows you to link tasks together so one depends on another. For example, you can make sure task B doesn't start until task A is finished. Repeat this process to connect additional links between tasks. By doing this, you're turning a simple timeline into a full Gantt chart system that visually represents task dependencies, progress, and sequencing. This is especially useful for complex projects with multiple steps. Once everything is connected, you can further customize the system by renaming tasks, assigning owners, adding statuses, or switching between different views like table view or board view. The Gantt chart will automatically update based on the data in your database. And that's it. You've now successfully built a Gantt chart system in Notion using a template and customized it to work for your projects. This setup is flexible, visual, and incredibly powerful once you start using it daily. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and workflow systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.